Hi, this is Queen Extra 101, the leader of Rich KIT's community. Okay, this is community dedicated to sharing knowledge on various KITs for productivity and creativity and how to use them. Okay, join us and discover AI tools that will help you do your current work better and faster. So it can also means that will help you speed up your creativity beyond your current skill level and also speed up your results and boom your current level of competence. Okay, to join us, just follow the link on the description of this video. Okay, with this particular tool, you can build a full functional website and launch online without coding. Okay, so the website is AI generated and you can edit the content generated by the AI website builder. Okay, so the name of this particular platform is wix.com/AI website builder. So wix.com, then /AI website builder, as you can see on this tab. Okay, so now on the first page I have is website creation like never before. Okay, get a unique business ready website in no time with our powerful AI. Okay, and you can see the button here, create with AI. All right, and then the other information on that, but we won't be going into all of that. But let's just go straight to how to get to use it to, to build a website. Now, this is for anyone that wants to create a personal website, or maybe you want to build a website for a business, and you don't want to start going through all the protocols or having to hire someone to start in the development. You can just handle this by yourself by simply using this tool. Okay, all right, and there are other AI tools for website builders, but this is the one we're going to be covering in this particular video. Okay, but there are other ones, but for this particular video, this is the one we're going to be covering. So now when you click create with AI, okay, it will open the next page where you'll be asked to log in. So you can just log in with a robot, like in my case right now. I could just log in with my with your email, right? You can log into email, and then there's a place for you to also set up passkey, but you can skip that for now and enter into the next page that opens. Okay, so now when you come to the next page, you can see chat with AI. This is where you're now going to send the information of the kind of website you want to create. Okay, so on this chat with AI, you can just click on this chat with AI and it will begin the chat process. So you say, first tell me what your site is all about. Okay, so you can chat with this guy to give the AI the information about the website that you want it to create for you. All right, but now I've already typed what I want to chat with the AI. Oh wait, so I'll just paste it here, right? So now this is the website I want to create, so I'll send it right now. This information: create a website for an AI community called Rich AI Tools that is focused on training members on how to use various creative and productive AI tools for various kinds of tasks, okay, such as web development, UI design, music creation, video creation. Include the following pages on the website: home page, about us, contact us, join us. Make the website highly professional and excellent. So this message has sent to this particular AI. Okay, it's for you to create a website on Rich AI Tools. And now watch it. It says Rich AI Tools sounds great to help you train members who do like to offer online courses, host live events, or maybe sell membership plans. So now you can continue the interaction by replying, or you can just click on end chat and go ahead to generate the website with information already provided. But let's assume I just want to give you more information. What I'll just do, I'll say yes in this case now, right? I would like to add this other contents on the website. So it proceeds to now giving me another response. So this is it. Rich AI Tools, empowering creativity with AI tools. Okay, site profile. So it's trying to create a site profile, right, to organize the information for the creation of this website. This does not involve any coding, no editor, no trying to learn any technical skill, just simple knowledge of what you want to create and chatting with this AI tool. That's all you need. I mean, this amazing. Okay, so now he said, got it. We can add Wix on live programs to create courses, Wix events, to manage workshops, and Wix paid plans or membership, which would you like to add? Okay, so I don't want to proceed further because, of course, the AI want to give you as many options as you might want. But for me, I think I'm just okay with this particular first two conversations. But you can always proceed, right, to get the details of what you want to create. So what I'll do now is to end chat and continue. So I'll end chat and continue. Okay, so I want to proceed with the creating of this particular website right away. So I've ended the chat, as you can see, and it's going to now begin the next process. Okay, as you can see on the screen. So now this is what it says. Let's get started on a site for rich AI tools. Your online training. Millions of successful businesses build their sites on Wix. So I know what tools you need. I'll start by generating a site brief and the first version of your site. Once you're ready, you'll be able to edit the site brief. The site brief to generate new versions until you have the design you love. Okay, so now it's going to generate the site brief and all of that. And I'm waiting for that to come up, right? And it's actually loading, as you can see. So this is just gonna take a couple of minutes and you're done. Okay, so if we were to hire someone to do this, of course, possibly it might take up to days or even weeks or maybe even months for it to build this kind of website. But right now, with this AI tool, you're getting this particular website built in just a few minutes. Okay, so let's wait for it. As you can see, it's loading. Okay. Powerful. Okay, so this is it. Craft your future. Discover transformative power of AI in creative fields. Engage in vibrant formative. Focus on enhancing skills through innovative tools. So the website brief has been generated. Okay, so now once you see this, you can now choose to continue. All right, you can now choose to continue depending on what kind of website you're building. Okay, so this is very nice. Okay, so you can also choose to regenerate design if you don't like this, or tweak design as the case may be. But for the purpose of this particular training, I will proceed to continue with this design. Okay, so I'll be proceeding to continue with this design by keeping continue with this design. All right, so now it says complete the website with your own domain. Give your site a more professional look with a branded domain name. www.richguidetools.com. Let's go. Okay, so I wouldn't want to buy this domain currently. Okay, so what I'll do is to just continue. Okay, instead of adding the domain right now. So I just want to create the website and show you how it looks, right, for this particular training. All right, but you can actually choose to buy a domain and add it to the website, so it gives you your unique brand name for the particular website you're building. Okay, instead of using a free domain. All right, okay, so at this point I could just continue to the editor or set up your business. So in this case, I'm continuing to the editor because I wouldn't want to buy the domain right now. So it's going to open the next page. As you can see, it's loading right now. Okay, so this is the Rich Guide tools that has been generated. All right, so the Rich Guide tool has been generated, and we can see it right here on the screen. And as you can see on the screen, is also showing the editors that you could use to edit out the information about this particular Rich Guide tools. Okay, so you can actually do a quick edit by just clicking on this edit, and you can also add sections, and a couple of other things can be done on this website before you publish it. Okay, so let's assume you want to change things on the website. You can actually edit the website, and you can also make a couple of other changes before you publish it. But this is the initial version of the website generated with this AI tool. Okay, so it has given us something that we can now work with, you know, to edit one or two things. Okay, let's just say I want to do a quick edit. For instance, I can just click on this quick edit, right? And then it shows me the text on the website, shows me the background color, which I can change. It shows me the section, which can change, the column, which can change. So I can change this now. So let's assume instead of craft your feature, I could just say instead of saying craft your future, for instance, I could say learn how to craft your future. So let's assume I want to say learn how to, okay, how to craft your future. Okay, so learn how to craft your future, right? So I've edited this right now, as you can see. So it shows here. So now the editor is very simple. No code required. All you need is just knowledge of typing and clicking and selecting. That's all. Okay, so you can see all of these things. You can change them here on the editor. So once you're satisfied with what you have, okay, once you're satisfied with what you have with this, you can then proceed with, we can also change the layout. Even as you can see now, the layout itself, we can also edit the layout. You don't have any layout option for this section, okay, but let's assume there's a layout option. You can change it, or you can even add a section. Now these are the contents. You can also change any of the content that you want based on the kind of website you're generating. So this is where you can add elements, add sections, page and menu. You can add extra pages. Even this is for site design, and you can add any apps, and then you can add media images and content management tools. So there's a whole lot you can actually do to modify the website even before you publish it. But for the purpose of this training, I'll just move on to publishing. Okay, I think what we have is okay for a start. Okay, it shows you the different sections of the website, add tutorials, explore our courses and the rest. So this is good for you if you just want to showcase your business. Let's assume you just want to build a business website that will just show about you, your services, and contact us page. Instead of going through the long route of now trying to start building the website from scratch, coding and the rest, or hiring someone to do that, you can just use this tool and generate it straight away. And it's very easy and simple. If in case you don't have a website, you can even start with this to get your first website. I mean, this is amazing. So once you're satisfied with this, you click on publish, right? So if you click on publish, what you're seeing with that, it will go live with your click publish to go live with your site, so anyone can see. So once I click on this publish, this particular website that was generated will be published live and anyone can see it. This is very interesting. Okay, so you can see the Rich AI Tools group has the website has been created. Congratulations, your site is published and live. So I can choose to copy this, right? Copy the link of this particular website. I can also choose to view the site. So now, once next, finish setting up your site, complete your setting to get started online. Just go to your dashboard and follow the setup steps. Complete setup. Okay, so now I can click on this view website to open this particular website right now. You can see my website is ready. Okay, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, this is a very, very, very nice. Okay, so if you can see this website was built on Wiz Create Yours Today. So you can see the notice on top that this particular website was generated with Wix. Now you can actually choose to buy the custom domain based on the option that was shown at the point of creating this website, and you use your own custom domain. So using this free domain, for this particular website generation, and then it's going to download on your custom domain name. Okay, it's not a free domain name, but in case you just want something free and simple, you can just start with this, right? And just share the link to people, right? And with that link, they can just visit your website and know about your website. But now there's another thing you can do as well. You can also use a tiny URL to shorten the link, and then when they load it, this link now comes up. Okay, so that's it. So our website is live already, and you can see it's live already. So with this now, anybody can view this on the browser, and you can always come back later and edit, right? You can always come back later to your with dashboard, okay, and edit this particular website. You can always come back and edit. Okay, so once you edit, you can always see the changes as well reflect on the website. So that's how it goes. And you can see edit your site for mobile, customize our website used for visitors based on mobile devices. So now in this case, I can edit mobile site by customizing how the website will look on mobile devices. Okay, right, so I can choose to change some things and make it look different on mobile devices, okay, while that of desktop view will still remain as it is. So in this case, it says meet your site on mobile. You can start customizing it here, change the screen and filter your site looks on desktop. So if you want to have a different view for the website on mobile devices and a different view for desktop, they also give you the option to even do that, okay, because this particular view right now is the desktop view of the website, and you can now edit it to look how you like it to appear on the mobile view. So this is very easy. So anyone should be able to do this and use our website launch in just few minutes. Okay, so that's it. On this particular tool, it can help you to create your website with AI without coding. Okay, so this is very nice for anyone that just wants to generate a business website or personal website that just talks about you, your services, stuff like that. So it just gives you a very easy option, to get started with. Okay, so you can check it out personally, and or let's you can create the website with it, and they've of course all of that is free for a start, but if you want to add some paid features, you can, and you need that, you can also add those paid features like buying the domain name, and stuff like that could require a pay. But just to join the website, for a start, is very much free, and you can just start with that for a start. Okay, so that's it for now, and you can test it on your own and also provide feedback on how it works at your own end. And of course, if you need any further guidance on how to use it as well, you can as well ask questions in our community. Okay, all right, that's it for now. Okay, so this is the part 1 of this particular tutorial on building website with AI tool without coding, right? So there's going to be other parts to this, all right, but for now I'm going to be stopping here for this video. All right, okay, see you in the next video.